So for this example, we want to determine why the following are not valid distributions. That is, valid probability distributions. In that first case, what we can see is that the probability associated to event 4, which sometimes will denote the probability that x is equal to 4, is -1, which means it's not a valid probability. You can't have a negative chance of something happening. It just doesn't work. So, that's why this is not valid. Regardless of what happens with the sum of values, we've got one that's too small. So, can't work. On the other hand, for the second, we will see that even though all of our pieces fit, we have too many of them. In that case, the sum of the probabilities, which will have form 0.28 plus 0.21 plus 0.43 plus 0.15, is going to end up being equal to 1.07, which is bigger than 1. And sometimes we can have that these things are too small, but usually it's going to be that they're too big. And that's what happens here. So, for different reasons to that first case, this is still not a valid probability distribution. And from here, the next thing we're going to look at is attaching some of those measures of central tendency and variation to these constructions in the same way that we did with frequencies.